Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily add a bank account in Amazon. Whether you are running a business or earning income via Amazon, linking a valid bank account is essential so Amazon can deposit your earnings smoothly. First of all, open your Amazon application, or you may also open up a web browser and go to amazon.com and sign in. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom of the screen from the home screen. After you're inside this page, click on Account from the top of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down and look for Your Payments and tap on it. Now on the next page, click on Add a Payment Method. From here, you can add FSA or HSA card, credit or debit card, add a personal checking account, or add an EBT card. Select Add a personal checking account or add a bank account option if available. On the next page, type down the name on your bank account, your bank routing number, checking account number, driver's license number or other state-issued ID number. Select your state from the drop-down and then click on Add this checking account option at the bottom. Make sure to type in your information exactly as your bank records. Follow through the on-screen instructions, and once you have a valid information, Amazon may make a small test deposits into your account or check through banking networks to validate the details. Once they confirm the account, your bank account is fully active as a payment method. Apart from bank accounts, you can also add any other payment method of your choice. So that's the process on how you can easily add a bank account in Amazon. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.